Good evening, students. Today I am take a new chapter from your Honeydew book, and actually this is a poem that's name is The Last Bargain. The Last Bargain is a very beautiful poem which is written by a very famous poet of literature history. The name of the poet is Rabindranath Tagore. So, here, a bargain is an agreement in which both parties promise to do something for each other. Someone is looking for a work and waiting to be hired. He strikes a bargain but thinks it's worthless. He tries to twice again but doesn't like either. Finally, in the last bargain, when he hired for nothing whatever, he is happy as never before. So, what is the bargain and why is it the best? Actually, The Last Bargain is a poem in which the poet describing the story of a man. Okay, so who is the search of a job? He wants a job in which he can work without losing his freedom, because he doesn't want to lose his freedom at any rate instead of the work. So the speaker receives the offer from a powerful, rich and beautiful, but turns all of them down, and he finally accepted at last the offer of a child, and he ready for provide the service to a child, and which is a last bargain. So this is a short at a glance of this story, and now I'm explaining widely. Come and hire me, I cried, while in the morning I was walking in the stone paved road. Sword in a hand, the king came in a chariot, and he held my hand and said, I will hire you both my power. But his power counted for a naught, and he went away in his chariot. In the heat of a midday, the house stood with a shut doors, and I wandered along the crooked lane. An old man came out with his bag of gold, and he pondered and said, I will hire you with my money. An old man come out with his bag of gold. He pondered and said, I will hire you with my money. And he waited his coins one by one, but I turned away. It was an evening. The garden hedge was all flower, and the fair maid came out and said, I will hire you with a smile. Her smile peeled with a melted into ears, but she went back alone into a dark. The sun glinted on the sand, and the sea waves broke wave idly, and a child sat playing with a shell. He raised his head and seemed to know me, and said, I hire you with nothing. For henceforth, and for henceforward that bargain is struck. In the child's play made me a free man. So this is a story which is written by Rabindranath Tagore, and I am explaining that what the poet want to say to his listener. So this poem, the famous writer which is written by the renowned Bengali poet Rabindranath Tagore, which I telling you before the chapter. It is a poem about a person looking for a job. So the speaker in this poem is searching for a job in which he does not have to lose his freedom. He received the first proposal from a king, and the king offered him the power in the return for his labor. But the refused king offer, he received the second offer from a rich man. He offered the speaker lots of gold in a return of his labor, but the speaker refused his offer also. He received the third offer from a beautiful girl. She says that she will give me a smile in return for his labor. The speaker refused all over too. In the end of the find, a child playing on with a seashore, and the child says that he will offer him nothing in return of his service, and the speaker accepted the child's offer as he can still be a free man. एक्चुअली पोएट जो है वो काम करना चाहता है, और वो एक ऐसा काम ढूंढ रहा है जिसमें उसे कोई बंधन ना हो, मतलब वो काम भी करे और उसकी आज़ादी भी ना छीने. तो इसी तरीके से एक मतलब एक एक करके वो कुछ लोगों से मिलता है, जिसमें एक बार एक बूढ़े व्यक्ति से मुलाकात होती है. वो कहता है तुम मेरी सेवा करो तो मैं इसके बदले में तुम्हें खूब सारे गोल्ड दूंगा. लेकिन वो सोचता है कि गोल्ड का मैं क्या करूँगा, इससे मेरी जो आज़ादी है वो तो मेरी छिन ही जाएगी और मैं इसे इंजॉय भी नहीं कर पाऊंगा, तो गोल्ड तो मेरे लिए बेकार है। फिर उसे एक मुस्कुराती हुई एक लड़की दिखती है, तो जिसकी स्माइल देख के वो बहुत इम्प्रेस होता है और वो सोचता है कि मैं इसकी सर्विस तो करूं, लेकिन वो मुझे रोजेस ऑफ बेड में भी प्रोवाइड कर रही है और मुझे हर तरीके के सुख